Criminology RA 11131 refers to scientific study of crimes, criminals, and victims. It also deals with the prevention and solution of crime. Criminology according to Edwin Sutherland. Criminology is a body of knowledge regarding crimes as a social phenomenon. It covers in its the scope, the study at the process of making law, the process of breaking law, the reaction towards the breaking of law. Republic Act 6506, an act creating the Board of Examiners for the Criminologists in the Philippines. Republic Act number 11131, the Philippines Criminology Profession Act of 2018. Crime is an act committed or omitted in violation of law, commanding or forbidding it. Criminal is a person who violated a social norm or one who acted an antisocial act. Offense, an act or omission that is punishable by special law. Felony is an act or omission that punishable by the revised penal code. Misdemeanor, acts that are in violation of simple rules and regulation. Born criminals, the belief that being criminal's behavior is inherited. Atavistic anomaly, their resemblance on the evolutionary scale to more primitive times where people were savage. Habitual delinquent, the offender within the period of 10 years from the date of his release or last conviction of the crimes of serious or less serious physical injuries, robo, hurto, estafa, or falsification. Holy Three, Cesar Lombroso, Enrico Peri, Raffaello Garofalo. Division, Criminal Etiology, Sociology of Law, Penology. Triangle of crime, desire, capability, opportunity. 5 pillars, law enforcement, prosecution, court, correction, community. 3 school, classical school of crime, neo-classical school of crime, the Passivista Italian school. Father of crime, Cesar Lombroso, Dean of crime, Edwin Sutherland.